Good 4:45, folks. It's a fucking Thursday. I have day off tonight, today, tomorrow. I'm making banana bread because I have bananas that are way too ripe and something has to be done. This is the recipe I'm using. You know, the wet things before the dry things. I'm gonna go gather in the ingredients. BRB. Most bodacious. Alright, so we got some wicked ripe bananas in this here bowl. And I'm just gonna mash them up. Nothing like mashing a banana on a fucking Thursday, am I right? Ah. So, this is, I guess it's a fucking vegan recipe, but it's really tasty. Anyhow, I don't know. I also just don't have any milk at the moment. I have eggs, but I don't really feel like adding them, you know? The bananas kind of already acts like a bit of a stabilizer. And that's all the eggs really do. Kind of hold it together. Sometimes they add some richness, but bananas are fucking good. And I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate for richness. And for that, we're going to add a third cup of oil and a third cup of brown and white sugar. The white sugar is good for sweetening. The brown sugar is good for sweetening as well as kind of adding a little bit of chewiness to it, a little bit more depth of that sort of sweetness. And here at my little place, we like depth of sweetness, I suppose. Oh shit. I forgot one of the ingredients. Just a little bit of vanilla. Just a little bit. Not too much, though. That would be... Where the fuck's my vanilla? We got it. So I'm just going to add a splash of vanilla. Not too much. Not too little. It's strong stuff. I don't want to overpower this. Now, so in here we get our dry ingredients. A little bit of salt. I like it throwing in a little bit of coffee. Choc-full-o-nuts. In fact, choc-full-o-nuts from the very can my phone is standing on at the moment. A little bit of cinnamon. And we're just going to toss that in there. And just mix it all together. They'll have a little party. Just all the wet ingredients meeting the dry ingredients, getting to know each other. Hey, how are you? And we're basically going to stir this until we see no more spots of flour. It becomes just one shaggy little dough thing. At which point, we're going to do another funky little number, little thing. I love like the little speckles of copper. Wouldn't you fucking know it? The oven's preheated, dude. That's great. We love this. Alright, so yeah, got a nice wet dough. Oh, here's something important. Maybe just a little bit of baking powder. Not too much. I keep forgetting with these quick doughs. I'm used to working with like yeasts and stirrers like that. This doesn't require that. We're not really trying to leaven it like that. Just a little bit of baking powder to give it a little rise. I don't want it popping out of the pan or anything, but a little bit of lift is a good thing. And then we're just going to get that incorporated in there. So we see no more dry spots again. I'm going to get rid of this dough whisk. Thank you, the Danes. Throw in some walnuts and chocolate chips because them chips are good. Lost a walnut. Oh boy. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. But like, you know, a lot of people do. I mean, I didn't forget to do it, of course, but washing your hands, very important when you're working directly with food, especially nuts and stuff. I just touched nuts. I got a little brother, kid's allergic to nuts, poor kid. I mean, he likes sunflower seeds, those are good, and they got a little bit of a nutty flavor. Not quite the same, but as such, he likes coming over here every once in a while, and I don't want to send the kid an anaphylactic shock. It's just not on my list of things to do. So we wash our hands after touching allergens. It's not really a laughing matter, but a little funny. And a generous amount of chocolate, because chocolate's good. Maybe a few chips and just to munch on, because shit's good. We're just going to fold this in. Nothing too crazy. Chocolate, nuts, banana. I mean, God. How on earth could you go wrong? By feeding it to someone with an allergy. Don't do that. That's all you gotta watch out for. If you're ever feeding your friends, just ask every once in a while, hey, you got an allergy? There was a time in like 2nd grade, and I thought I was fucking allergic to almonds and bananas. Because one day I brought those things in for a snack, and all of a sudden my throat started getting itchy. Now I eat both of those things, and it's just fine. Alright, we're just gonna gently spoon this in there. We missed the parchment, got right on top of it. That's okay. We're gonna roll with it. Maybe try to sneak it out from underneath, or kind of reinforce that parchment on that side. The only thing I'm kind of worried about, I'm not worried. This looks like a darn good loaf. And we're just gonna even up the top. Into a nice sort of loaf. And then we're gonna head over here to yield oven. Preheated to 350. Throw on a handy dandy oven mitt because I don't like burning myself. I'm gonna throw it on the bottom rack because I got my stone in there. Let me flip the camera around. And sweet. So throw that in there. Close this up. And set this for 50 minutes. This might take a second. Hell yeah. See you then. Hi. I forgot to do one thing. We're about 20 minutes to the bacon. I'm going to open this up. Throw on a glove. Get a text. Check it in a sec. Alright, so yeah, this loaf's looking mighty nice. I'm gonna take a wee bit of this brown sugar here. Just gonna throw it right on top. And my hope is that it'll crisp up real nice. Almost kind of turn to a caramel up on this. And yeah, it's fun. It feels like moon sand. And my hands are clean. We're gonna pop that back in there. And check back in a half an hour. So we have a couple minutes before I gotta toss the loaf out take the loaf out of the oven. And in that time, I wanted to talk a little bit about eggs and keeping eggs and the difference about keeping eggs depending on where you are in the world. I'm an American, and as an American, I thought it was weird that some folks all over the world keep their eggs at room temperature all the time. They don't refrigerate. I just thought that was weird at first. But now I think America's fucking weird for it. Because the FDA doesn't require that chickens laying eggs are to be vaccinated for salmonella. So only a third of farmers do that. Now, if you have the opportunity to get like fresh eggs from like a local farmer,
I'd fucking keep them at room temperature, for up to like 4 or 5 days from when they've been laid. If I know that, then I think that's fine. I think that's better. If you're at the grocery store getting eggs, I would keep them refrigerated, and they'll last longer. But an egg's an egg's an egg. I like fresh eggs. Can't get them in very many places though. The U.S. It's a little weird. Why doesn't the FDA require this? Heck if I know. That's a little tidbit. Love's gonna be out of the oven soon. Yay.
Hi. Okay, so the oven went off. I thought it would be ready, but I poked it with a stick. It came up almost clean. We're gonna set it for another 3 minutes, somewhere in there. We'll feel it out. And then I will present said loaf here. Yay. Alright, any second now. Yeah, that's rightfully anticipated because I can see the time trickling down. Alrighty, the loaf. And then, we're gonna lift this out of here carefully. Come on. This is a terrible idea, but I'm still gonna pursue it until I know we get the fucking thing out. Yay! Alright. Now we're gonna get this out of here because it's warm. It's more warm. We're gonna toss this here. Pull back parchment, get rid of these burnt bits, because God, no one wants burnt bits. And then, yeah, we're gonna sit, let it cool, and that's a mighty nice looking loaf. I'm gonna let it cool. I think I have some buddies coming over. I'll cut it, and it'll be a whole fucking affair. Alrighty, so my buddies aren't gonna be over until a lot later. So I'm saying, fuck it. It's rested long enough. I want to taste some. Oh heck yeah, we're shaking the fucking table with this. But it looks damn tasty. I'm just gonna cut the ends off, cut it in half. People like cross sections. I like a good cross section. Probably should have used a bread knife in retrospect, but hey, who am I? The fucking fortune teller? Anyhow, yeah, it's the interior. Chocolate banana. Oh, my mother's calling me. I'm gonna answer this and then get back to this. Try some nanner bread. Alright, so yeah, finished up that phone call. Sliced up the bread. This is what it looks like. It's all full of chocolate. It's delicious. I got chocolate on my fingers, in my face. It's good. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you try to make this on your own. Sounds like fun. Today I did my laundries and the dishes as well. Did you do the laundry and the dishes today? Maybe you don't have to. That's good. If you do, do it if you want. Bake a loaf of banana bread. It's all good. Yeah. Hope y'all have a good day. I might make another one of these.